to open up my window, get the shadows out my way. Banana pancakes for my problems, find me jamming old Jack Johnson. Swear I heard them angel calls, lay outside as heaven falls, heaven falls.
Hello friends, and welcome back to another weekend in my life. I actually had to work today and I had a great day. I just finished, so I'm starting the vlog at 3:45. My apologies. But I had such a good day at work today. It was so weird. I was so tired. I don't even know why. I went to bed at like 10:30, so like not even late. And I got up at 6 this morning and I just was so tired. But as soon as I started working, I wasn't tired anymore and I smashed it out. We were very busy today. It was one of the busiest days of the year for us. I just had a really good day at work. My other manager and I worked really well together, smashed it out, had really good staff on. It was just a great day. But I think I'm so tired because it's really gloomy weather at the moment. I don't know if you can tell. You definitely can't out of my window. We had a massive storm last night and it's continued to rain today, and it's just been like really dark and gloomy and rainy all day, and I just want to go home and snuggle up in sweatpants and a hoodie and watch Netflix. So that's what I'm planning to do for the rest of the afternoon. After I go run an errand with my brother, we are going to pick up some pallets. I posted on my Instagram story asking you guys where to get pallets from, and everyone said Bunnings, but I'd already looked at so many Bunnings and none of them had them. I ended up looking on Facebook Marketplace and tracked down a lady who has some in my local area, so I'm gonna go pick them up. Hopefully she like kind of replied to my message but kind of didn't, so I'm hoping that if I just rock up at her house. Do I even know her address? That could be an issue actually. Yeah, I just messaged her asking for her address because I hadn't thought that far ahead yet. The reason I need my brother to come do it with me is because my parents have a ute and I do not, and pallets probably aren't going to fit in my car. I'm gonna go to my parents' house, pick up my brother in the ute, and we're gonna drive, pick up the pallets. Hopefully she replies with her address. I'm gonna be really upset if she doesn't, because then I'm gonna have to find somewhere else. Update, someone at Bunnings is making a very loud noise and the lady on the Facebook Marketplace has not replied to me with her address. But we came into Bunnings, there's two.
It's not gonna stay there.
What's up? Oh.
Well, that didn't sound healthy.
What's that?
I don't know.
Tell me how to live my life. Ah! See if I get a boyfriend who has a ute, I can drive it. Hit me up.
Country boy. Get you a girl who can drive manual.
I'm just in a random estate right now. I feel really weird because it's so quiet because like no one is here. It's just like a bunch of empty houses half made. But I drove past and I saw that, so I'm gonna go pick it up and put it in my car. She's heavy. It won't fit in my car, so I'm just gonna message Rachel and see if she can come. It might fit in her car. I don't think her car is much bigger than mine. I don't know. I just got home from my attempt at bringing that pallet home. Also, I don't think I explained why I was even trying to get pallets, but I'm also not going to because it's kind of a secret, kind of not. You'll find out in a couple of weeks, but I need like 8 to 10 pallets. So I'm just kind of on the hunt for them. There's none really on the Facebook Marketplace around my area, and the lady still hasn't replied to me, but that estate that I went to this afternoon actually had quite a few, so I'm gonna probably head back there tomorrow. Probably gonna have to take the ute though because it did not fit in my car. I really just did not have my life together this week, and I've kind of just been chucking everything everywhere all week, and it's driving me a little bit insane. So I just need to take tonight to clean up my room. I'm just a mess and I need to get my life in order. So I am going to chuck on some Netflix and have that on in the background while I clean my room. Is it a Georgia Richards vlog if there's not a cleaning time lapse? I think not. Enjoy.
Even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah.
I finished with all my cleaning for the night, and I decided to have a really nice long shower / pamper night. I'm not gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna leave that for tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna exfoliate my whole body, do a face mask, and then I'm gonna fake tan, which I haven't done for a couple of weeks, but it always makes me feel better. I am now looking like a crazy person, and I have my white bed sheets covered, ready for me to sleep in my tan. It's a great time. Good night. I got distracted. I forgot that I was filming. Alright, I need to go wash off my tan, and then I'm gonna get ready and do a couple things around the house, and then I think I'm gonna go shopping, you know? I'm currently just planning out my week. It looks like quite a busy week, which is very good. But after I spend a little time with Jesus, I'm gonna go have breakfast. I'm gonna hang out my washing, and then I need to make my bed, and then I should be ready to go off shopping. I'm gonna go to a few different shopping centers to look for some workout gear. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna stop planning my week, and I'm gonna spend a little time with Jesus. BRB. I'm all ready to go shopping. I'm just wearing some workout clothes, but Rachel has also decided that she's gonna come with me. So let's go on a busy shopping trip. I'm excited. Morning.
Morning. Did I go present for you?
I'm at Lorna Jane at the moment, and I just tried on a bunch of sports bras, but these are the ones I'm deciding between. I'm kind of thinking of getting both, but I don't know.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. So we're currently at Nike. This shopping center we're at is actually having a closing down sale. So there's a bunch of sales everywhere, but Nike only has a couple of stands that are on sale for like good amounts of money. I want it, but I don't need it. How cute is this Puma cropped hoodie? It's half price too, so I think I might get it.
I'm gonna scream and shout the line. Passion your bone, give go. I admit that I'm a little messed up, but I can hide it when I'm all dressed up.
It's currently 12:40 and I've just arrived at a different shopping center. I went home, I dropped Rachel off. I'm here because I'm gonna go have lunch with my older brother Bryce and his girlfriend Cass, and I'm really excited. I honestly had a lot of food for breakfast a while ago, but I'm just not hungry at the moment, so I might even just get a bowl of sweet potato chips and a coffee or something like that. But still very excited for the food and the company. I actually did pick up a lot of activewear, so I'm gonna give you a haul of all of that when I get home from church tonight, but you'll just have to stay tuned. Let's go eat. I got my sweet potato fries. What did you get? Smitty. Oh yeah, good old fish and chips. I finished up at lunch and we're all actually going to my grandma's now to hang out with her. But I didn't grab a coffee at lunch because I just didn't really feel like it. But I really need a coffee. It's 2 p.m. I haven't had a coffee yet, so we're going to Zaraffa's. Could I please grab 2 Masai caramelized fusions? Could I get an extra shot in both and no cream, please? I had a quick little outfit change. I'm just in this little white top with this cute little frill on the sleeve. These are from Kmart. And I just have on some blue jeans and black boots. I'm gonna head into church. I'm gonna walk into church with the rain. It is so rainy and dark outside, so love that. And I'm wearing a white shirt, so it's probably not ideal, but what are you gonna do?
Is how you create a blessed community, the community you've always dreamed of.
Creation sings your praises so alive.
How do you feel about math? So
It is much later on now. I came home from church, had dinner, watched maths, and it's finally time for an activewear haul. I showed you me trying this on, but I got this cropped pinkish hoodie from Puma. I think it's really cute. I really like the color of it. I don't have anything this color. It's not super thick, so I feel like it's gonna be good if I'm going for a walk or a run, or even just going out. Not going out, just like going to the shops. You know what I mean? Very excited, super cute. I also got 2 singlets from Cotton On. I was originally just gonna get the hang it from my foot and I'll hold it up. Got this white singlet from Cotton On. I went up to the counter and I was originally just gonna get this white one, but it was either 1 for 20 or 2 for 30. So I got this one as well. They're exactly the same, but one's black and one's white, and that's all you need to know. And last but not least, sorry. I don't know why though, when you showed up I'm like, oh yeah, but like when you put it on I was like, oh my goodness. Yeah, so just take our word for it. This is cuter than it looks. Yes. So I got 2 sports bras from Lorna Jane. It looks much better on than it does holding it, especially the color, I swear. But very comfy, very just full coverage, and I'm just a big fan. And then I also got this white one. I don't really know how to explain it. It just has 2 straps, very comfy, got a little bit of mesh on the sides. This lighting's so bad I definitely can't show you the details of this white sports bra, but that's fine. You can get the idea. Very excited about these. Can't wait to wear everything. I feel like I got way more than I did, but like 5 things is great. But I think that is gonna be it for this weekend in my life. I'm just gonna take my makeup off and go to bed. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video in the very near future. Bye from my very bad fake tan hands.
And I could easily